So in today's video we are going to find out, should you actually buy the iPhone 12 Pro in 2022 or not? Is it actually worth it? First of all, the two combinations are awesome. That is the great display, that is 6.1 inches. It has a notch, but that notch just feels normal. Like once you use the smartphone, open apps like calendar and gallery, these apps are just gonna adapt to the notch, so you're not going to really feel a difference in terms of that. And the touch response is instant. And as we have that great display, to just match it, we have this amazing stereo setup at the bottom. We have two speakers and we also have a speaker in the notch. It offers amazing sound quality for watching movies and media, so I just love it. And then let's just talk about the second thing which I like in this iPhone 12 Pro, and that is the instant touch response. Although it is not a Pro Motion display or it doesn't have 120 Hz like we have in Android, but this is very smooth. It is just absolutely crazy how smooth it is. Open anything, you can scroll anywhere. It is the smoothest 60 Hz display I have ever used in a phone as of right now. I mean, they have optimized it amazingly. And then let's just talk about the real brightness stuff, like is it actually visible outdoors? And according to my experience in the last 1 year, I have never faced any problems with the brightness. It is absolutely awesome. You can crank it up as high as you want, and it also has this dark mode which helps in saving even more battery. So as soon as you enable dark mode, you go back and look at that, the wallpaper also changed to dark mode. Every system app is going to be in dark mode, so it is just going to save even more battery. And just believe me, dark mode works like a champ. It is just super awesome for saving battery and looking great. And then light mode also, it just looks nice. So yeah, in terms of battery life, I never had any issues. But the A14 Bionic is a great processor. I mean, the small things which iPhones do, they do in a great way. I mean, it is running the latest iOS 15.5, which is in it of itself a great software. But the small things, like let me just talk about the calculator experience, and the compass is my favorite one. Like in Android phones, when you use compass, it is not that smooth, but look at that, man. That is the smoothest compass experience in Android phones. I mean, in iPhone, it is very smooth. So these apps are very optimized for iOS 15.5, so it is running like a champ. So there's no problems in performance. You can play BGMI, HDR and extreme graphics without any lag or hiccup, so no problems in that. We have iTunes, which I personally don't like that much, so I prefer the normal Spotify. But yeah, I think you are getting my point. iPhone 12 Pro is still a very decent option in 2022, considering if you want it for playing games or even if you want it for, like, day-to-day use. And the most important thing in choosing an iPhone is actually not just the software and the display and also the speakers. That is actually the availability of an awesome camera. And as you guys have seen, the 12 Pro is insanely good value for money in terms of the camera. Open the camera app and you are get greeted with three options: the normal, the wide and the 2x. And the best of it is the main camera, of course, and the front is also really awesome quality. As you guys can see, we have the normal, the wide, and yeah, my face looks awesome. So it also supports recording in HDR. That is awesome, because this is the first phone in the planet which can record in Dolby Vision HDR10 videos, that too at 4K at 30 FPS, which is just super dope. I just love the fact you can do that, and the video quality in it of itself is really awesome. There are no jitters, no lags. And overall, the iOS experience you're gonna get from the 12 Pro is basically the same that you're going to get from a 13 Pro. The main difference is 120 Hz. If you don't like it that much, or if you have never experienced 120 Hz, this is the perfect phone to go. Or if you are from an older iPhone like 6, 7, just upgrade to the 12 Pro. That's my advice. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure to subscribe. Peace out.